At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a picnic business can be an exciting venture, combining the joys of outdoor leisure with hospitality and event planning. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? Are they families, couples, corporate groups, or tourists? What are their preferences and expectations? 2. Define your niche. Determine what sets your picnic business apart. Are you focusing on gourmet picnics, themed picnics, eco-friendly picnics, or something else? Finding a unique selling proposition will help you stand out in the market. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide you through the startup phase and help secure funding if needed. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Depending on your location and the scale of your operations, you may need to comply with health and safety regulations, food handling laws, and zoning ordinances. 5. Location and logistics. Choose suitable picnic locations based on your target market and the ambience you want to offer. Consider factors like accessibility, amenities, permits, and any associated costs. Develop a network of suppliers for picnic essentials such as food, beverages, blankets, baskets, and decor. 6. Menu development. Design a menu that aligns with your business concept and caters to your target customers' tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you offer pre-made picnic packages or customizable options, prioritize freshness, quality, and presentation. 7. Marketing and branding. Build a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Utilize social media, a professional website, email marketing, and partnerships with local businesses or event planners to raise awareness and attract customers. Consider offering promotions or discounts to generate initial interest. 8. Customer experience. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and creating memorable picnic experiences. Pay attention to details like picnic setup, ambience, entertainment options, and special touches that exceed expectations. 9. Feedback and adaptation. Solicit feedback from customers to continuously improve your offerings. Stay flexible and adaptable to market trends, seasonal changes, and customer preferences. 10. Expansion and diversification. As your business grows, explore opportunities to expand your services, such as offering picnic catering for events, organizing group outings or workshops, or partnering with local attractions or tour operators. 11. Financial management. Keep track of your expenses, revenue, and profitability. Monitor your cash flow closely and adjust your pricing or expenses as needed to ensure sustainability and growth. Starting a picnic business requires creativity, attention to detail, and a passion for creating memorable experiences. With careful planning and execution, you can turn your love for outdoor dining into a successful venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.